Hi everyone, Miss Monday here to help you with number 4 and number 6. Number 4, given f of x equals e to the kx plus x, and the first derivative when x is 0 is negative 8. Find k. So I need to take the first derivative. When I take the first derivative, I have a composite function. The derivative of the outside, leaving the inside the same, times the derivative of the inside, and the derivative of the inside would be k, and then plus 1. So that's the derivative. Now when we plug in 0 for x, the derivative will equal negative 8. When we plug in 0 for x, times k plus 1. Okay, k times 0 is 0. E to the 0 is 1. So then I subtract 1, and I get k is negative 9. Okay? And then for number 6, it says the tangent to f of x equals x squared times e to the negative x at point P is horizontal. So the tangent is horizontal. What that means is the slope is going to be 0. Find the possible coordinates of P. So at the point P. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the derivative, and then I'm going to make the derivative equal to 0 because that's the slope. Okay? So I need to do product rule. The derivative of the first times the second plus the derivative of the second is chain rule. Derivative of the outside, leaving the inside the same, times the derivative of the inside times x squared. So I have 2x e to the negative x minus e to the negative x squared. I'm going to set this equal to 0, and now I need to factor. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to factor out, we have two terms, right? And both terms have 1x and an e to the negative x. So what I'm left with in the first term is just a 2, and what I'm left with in the second term is just a minus x. So then, let's see what I can do. I can set each term equal to 0, and I think that there's 3 terms here, because there's the x equals 0, the e to the negative x equals 0. I don't mean terms, I mean factors. And then the 2 minus x equals 0. So we have x equals 0, e to the negative x can never equal 0, and then we have x equals 2, okay? So what did this question say? The tangent is horizontal. Find the possible coordinates of P. So P can be when x is 0 or x is 2. So to find the y value, I need to plug in 0 to each. So this is going to be 0. So 1 horizontal tangent is at the point 0, 0. And then I'm going to plug in 2. So I have 4 times e to the negative 2. So my point is 2, 4 over e squared. Okay, so those are the 2 points where I have a horizontal tangent. Okay, I hope you have a great day.